Alright everyone, today I'm going to do a quick unboxing video of these Oakley Meta Vanguard sunglasses. Basically these are kind of like glasses that have a camera and microphone in them. And so I was just thinking maybe I should try to do some more POV videos. And I just found out about these and I thought about it. I said, well, I'm a big Oakley fan. I have Oakley shades, the M3 frames, I think is what they call them, M2 or M3 frames. So I've got some of those, and I thought these would be perfect. So I could actually do some more POV videos. So that's why I went and purchased these. So being that it supposedly has, I think, 5 microphones in it. Maybe you guys will be able to hear me a little bit more clearly in the videos. I've been hearing people say that my videos aren't clear or loud enough, so hopefully with these here that won't be a problem. So this is what it looks like. Wow. This is the charger here, I guess. It's a pretty cool presentation. Has like a matte finish to it. I guess that's the charging light right there, and that's the hinge. So let's open them. I ended up getting the white. Oh, it turns on automatically. Okay. I ended up getting the white frame. I wanted to get the black frames, but unfortunately, the way they've got it, the black frames are gonna come with like a color on the actual lens themselves. So I didn't want to have that. I wanted to have black lenses, so the only color you can get is the white frame. So it's not really a big deal, but that's just something that I had to make a decision on, whether I was going to get the white frame or the black frame and the lens that goes with it. So I'm not sure what this is. This is some type of, I guess it's saying you can turn them around or something. Oh, okay. You got some components here that come with it. Probably the piece that goes here for your eyes. I mean your nose bridge. So you got that. Let's see what else comes with it. It says scan to get started. So you probably have to download the Meta app. I have not downloaded the Meta app, so that's one thing I will have to do. Looks like it comes with this nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. Little carry case there, and a get started guide. So it kind of goes over a little bit here. So based on what I'm reading here, it's saying that it can record up to, I think, 3 minutes or up to 5 minutes. You can just, every 3 to 5 minutes, you just have to keep pressing the button to make it record. And most of the time I'm just kind of doing short videos anyway, so that's one of the reasons why I don't really have a problem with that. But I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and once I set it up, then I'm gonna go ahead and make a video with the glasses to kind of just see what the video looks like. So this is what it looks like inside the app after you download it. Basically, you just select what type of glasses you have, and then after that, you just move forward and start putting in your information. If you already have a Facebook account, you could just go ahead and use that and go from there. All right, so I've started the process of using the shades, and I basically used Meta AI to start recording. So I just simply told it to start recording, and it started recording. So this is kind of what it looks like. And on the screen here, you can kind of see Some of the things that is already imported pictures. I haven't done any fitness workouts, but it's going to probably show that as well. So yeah, now it says video recording on. So far, I think it's pretty cool. I actually didn't think I'd use the AI as much as I'm using it now, but it actually worked pretty good. I can ask it things like, what's the battery life? I mean, it's pretty neat. I thought it was just basically a camera in a set of shades, but with the AI, this actually might be better than I thought. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna make some more videos with it and see what happens.